It's been a rough run here lately, and a lot of what traders are saying about this massive drop that we're seeing is because of just selling points once it reached a certain trigger. So once it hit that $6,000 mark, everyone needed to sell.
Presumably all the geniuses who are buying it at $18,000, $15,000, $13,000, $10,000, $7,000, presumably they're all doubling, tripling, quadrupling up now, or are they not because they actually didn't have a clue what they were talking about? I
think that this would have been an easy buy the dip moment for them, except for that there are a lot of questions around Bitcoin still, particularly regulatory questions. There was a report last week that the SEC is investigating Bitcoin's massive rise last year, so it's hard for some people to think about buying in when they know that there could be more regulatory pressure ahead.
So there was one expert who commented, and I say expert because no one's really an expert in cryptocurrencies. They've barely been around for very long.
Around last year.
But anyone who knows something about the internet is probably an expert. And the whistleblower, the exiled American whistleblower, Edward Snowden, was weighing in on the future of Bitcoin. And he was basically thinking it wouldn't really last. But he did question whether other cryptocurrencies would still survive. And that's the point. This might have tested the market and some of the appetite for a global cryptocurrency. What's next? And do you see anything else, whether it's Ethereum, coming to the mix to take over from Bitcoin?
So most of the competitors have been hit by this recent weakness as well, just that overall sentiment of negativity that we've been seeing. But there is still a lot of talk that Ethereum, that others could very well be part of the future. Actually, a couple weeks ago, we had IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde come out and say central banks need to think about issuing their own digital currencies. So this isn't an idea that's completely gone away. We've heard about all sorts of companies investing in blockchain still. The technology behind it still, a source of brightness, according to many companies at least. So it's maybe too soon to say that the entire crypto craze is done.
Or whatever one of these ICOs worth. What if is a Bitcoin worth $3,000 fundamentally, $10,000 fundamentally, or $650,000 fundamentally?
I'm not sure that anyone can answer that question.
And therein lies my problem. There is no fundamental value to this product.
It's not pegged to anything either.
And add to the fact, there's plenty of products out there people trade, but quite frankly are worthless. But let's run with this as well. The volatility of this means most investors can't touch it. Even if you even if you get it, even if you say the technology behind blockchain is amazing, and I appreciate it. So many people tell me it is, so I have to understand that because I'm no data mining expert. That's very clear from my ignorance now. But the volatility attached to this asset, if we call it an asset, means that most people shouldn't be able to touch it in anywhere near their 401ks or anything really.
Yeah, I think that's one thing that you have to be able to stomach if you're trading Bitcoin. And when the analysts come out and say this is just part of what it's like to trade Bitcoin, it's not a very appealing sell.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.